box video, why it starts again. Because I want to show you around the new card that's from the deal. So I keep it for 2 weeks. Then I'm going to show you around it. Okay, so here it's the front. Kind of amazing. The doors here seem normal to my previous car. Then I have, and this door, it can push this back. It can open and close by its own. And here's the back one. It has extra seats there. It's like cozy. And give me so much more. Then my dog Freya, and there's a whoa! Rosie, Pussy, what the? I'm sorry, Tom. It fell. Then we will lift you back up.
Mientras no salgan con el culo graso.
Rosie.
Todo el mundo, los sacos, los gorros. A la comida de energía viene bien.
Help me.
Coño, había prosciutto en el video. Los niños comen prosciutto.
Okay, let me just get Rosie. Okay, I looked Rosie up, and we got here back to number 3. What happened here? They fell. This is giving more funny than adventure. And also there's a bunny here so I can open it up. Pussy.
¿A vos qué te gusta? El oro.
Okay, here to my mom, my brother.
Cuando la loba le dijo, ¿qué te gusta el oro? No le trajo nada. Mira,
Amazing. Well, bye guys.